Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kristen, and today I'm going to be sharing with you 10 design features that are dating your home and how you can fix them. I'm going to be using my home here as an example. We just moved into our first home in Nashville, Tennessee, and it is definitely dated. We have a lot of work to do in here. We have some renovations planned, but for now, I'm going to show you all of those things that are sticking out like a sore thumb and dating this home drastically. This home was built in 1989, so if you have anything similar, I hope this video gives you some ideas on how you can update your space as well. So if you enjoy watching and find this video helpful, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and hit that like button, and let's go ahead and jump right into it. Now, if you have something in your home that looks a little like this, a built-in kitchen desk, your home is probably looking dated. These were very popular in the 90s to 2000s. This was where you would have that one family computer sitting in the middle of the house, and now it's just not practical. It's taking up space, it's looking really old, it shows its time, and this would be something we would for sure take out in an entire kitchen renovation. I think this space could be used for larger pantry space, floor-to-ceiling cabinets, but for now, this could definitely be turned into a coffee bar or bar situation. I think with a little mini makeover, this could look a bit better. But if you have a built-in office in your kitchen like this, I think it's time for it to go. Another quick and easy update you can make to your home is simply swapping out your old floor vent covers. These are a dark metal floor vent that have rusting on them. They're not in great condition, and they definitely don't seamlessly work into our floors anymore. We just refinished our floors to be a nice white oak finish so that they're bright and fresh. But these are not so bright and fresh. So we can easily swap these out by just popping this out of place and replacing it for a white oak floor vent cover. You can get these in any wood finish. They're also stainable, so you can really color match it to your space. But these just pop right into the hole like that, and you get a seamless look. You can find floor vent covers that sit flush with your floors, but that would just require you to cut out a larger hole to fit inside. So these sit right on top. This has a built-in damper. You can find them with or without dampers, but that will help you adjust the airflow around your room. So if you've got new floors in your home or you've redone your existing floors, make sure you go the extra mile by swapping out your floor vents so that you get a fresh new look. This wall is an example of small things that can absolutely date your space instantly. These switch cover plates and outlet covers are found all around our home, and they're this beige ivory color that just makes everything look old and a bit dirty. This is a very simple thing to change around your home. It's also a very affordable update that you can make that will absolutely refresh your space. You can go from beige to white in just a few seconds, and it will refresh your space instantly. You can also get switch cover plates and outlet covers that are paintable. You can also wallpaper over them so that they really blend into your space and they don't stick out on the wall like this. Or you can go the extra mile and really put a design feature into these elements. So you can bring in brass cover plates with beautiful toggles. You can bring in black or mixed metals. You can add a design feature into your home by elevating these necessities around your space. What I love about this style is that it completely covers the receptacles so that they are not still beige and the outside is white. It really gives you this flush look. You can do the same thing with all of your toggle switches as well. They have toggle covers that have additional plates that sit right on top so that the entire element is covered and you get a fresh new look. I'll have a few of my favorites linked down below in the description box so you guys can check them out as well. What once was modernizing your home is now dating your home. These 6-inch recessed can lights are making your home look old and dark. You can now retrofit these with LED lights that slip right into this exact hole and give you a fresh new look. They'll allow you to customize the light color and really brighten up your home. Light bulbs like this quickly burn out, as you can see. It's hard to color match all of your light bulbs around your home, and these LED lights will last about 6 to 7 years. So you won't have to worry about light bulbs burning out for sure. When these light bulbs burn out, you get these dark black circles on your ceiling. But if you switch to LED, you'll get a nice white bright look at all times, whether the lights are on or off. It's the easiest, most affordable way of retrofitting all the lights in your home. Now, when it comes to kitchen design, there are a ton of different cabinet styles. This style in particular is dating your kitchen. This is a raised panel cabinet. So that's when the inside of the cabinet is raised forward, pretty much flush with this outside edge. So you have this in and out divoted look, and it really actually makes your cabinets look smaller. It's adding a lot more lines, it's not giving you this clean flush look, and it's causing a lot of busyness. So if you're gonna pick out a cabinet style, try and stay away from any kind of raised panel cabinet. A lot of cabinets from the 80s, 90s, and early 2000s are these raised panel cabinets. I would go for something that's a little bit more of that flat shaker or skinny shaker for a more modern look. You can keep your existing kitchen boxes and swap out your cabinet fronts for a fresh new look. The style of your front door might be another design element that's aging your space. This was, again, a very popular design style in the 80s and 90s, especially with builder grade homes. The small, tiny window panel up top that has a little decorative touch inside is making this door look old and dated. Instead, I would go for a front door that lets a lot more light in with a larger window panel, and it will give you a more simplistic look. Don't go with a decorative detail like this because it will age over time. Go with a frosted glass or a simple clear glass to give you the best up-to-date look. Now, there are many different details when it comes to picking grout for your flooring that you should think about. You should think about the color and the size of your grout lines. These grout lines are dark and big, and they definitely show the age of the flooring. These floor tiles are actually not a very dated look, but they're looking really old and dated because of how dark and thick the grout lines are. If you're picking grout for any tile around your home, go with something that pretty much matches your floor tile so you get a little bit more of a seamless look. And make sure that your grout lines are as thin as possible so you don't leave these large gaps between your tile that can get dirty and dark over time and create this look. So even if your tile isn't aging your home, your grout lines might be. Lighting technology is always moving forward, so if you have lighting that's kind of stuck in one time period, it's probably dating your home. Edison bulbs like this are becoming that thing that's dating your home about 10 years. This was kind of the cool new thing to put in your house, but now it's really showing the age of when you installed it. Edison bulbs show a ton of detail. They really steer towards the more industrial style. So if that's not the style of your home, they can really look out of place quickly. So if you have lamps or ceiling lights around your home with Edison bulbs inside, I would swap those out for a fresh set of light bulbs to really brighten your home, make it more practical, and modernize your space. Now, when it comes to detail tiling around your home, I think borders like this, especially done in glass mosaic tile when it comes to your backsplash or shower, is dating your home. If you can stay away from glass mosaic tiles, I think you're doing yourself a favor. These really make your home look like it's stuck in the 90s or 2000s, but glass mosaic tile is front and center in all of the stores. Don't let that trick you, stay away from it. Go for more of a solid tile, something with less variation, so you don't get as much busyness and you can create an elevated, seamless look. All right, so that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching, and I hope this gave you a better idea on things that you can update around your home to make a huge difference. Some of these things are small details, some of them are large, so you can always start somewhere to transform your home. I'll have all of those products I mentioned linked down below in the description box so you guys can try them out as well, but I'm gonna be working on this home, transforming it and updating it one room at a time, so make sure you guys stay tuned. If you enjoyed watching and found this video helpful, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and hit that like button, and make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel so you don't miss the upcoming videos. Click that red subscribe button down below and make sure you guys have my notifications turned all the way on so you're first to see the next video. Love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!